Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ronnie, and for the new subscribers, my name is Ronnie and I post crochet content, as you can see, as you may have seen anyway. So yeah, this video is very impromptu. I wasn't really planning on making this video, but when I was making the video for the bow tie, I realized that this video is actually very essential. We need to clear the elephant in the room. And what is that? Crochet patterns. How to read crochet patterns is very essential. There are a lot of patterns you can follow online, but if you don't know how to follow those patterns, you don't know how to read those patterns, you'll be in a big trouble. Crochet pattern is usually written in abbreviations or diagrams. So when I was making the video for the bow, I had to spell it out because I have not done this video and I have not explained to you guys how to abbreviate stitches. Now the abbreviation for each stitch. So yeah, that is what this video is about. I'll be teaching you for both crochet illustration, for crochet diagrams, and for written patterns. So let us get into it. Starting with the slip knots now. That is the very foundation of it all. The slip knots, they represent it with this. It kind of looks like a full stop. So they represent a slip knot, usually a slip knot or a slip stitch with this diagram here. It's kind of like a full stop, but it's oval. Do you get? So it's like this. But in a written pattern, they usually represent it with SL, ST for a slip stitch. Yeah. No, so now for a chain stitch, they usually represent it with this oval diagram here, this oval shape. And when you see this, you know you're supposed to chain however amount of chain you're supposed to make. Now in a written form, they make a CH for a chain stitch. CH, just make sure you remember that. Moving on to the single crochet. The single crochet is very easy to spot in any pattern really. It's kind of like this, X or a plus sign, an X or a plus sign. And in a written form, it's usually SC, short form for single crochet. For a half double crochet now, it's usually this T. They make use of this T in an illustration. This is the symbol for the half double crochet. Now for a written pattern, they use HDC, half double crochet. So for a double crochet, in a diagram, the symbol is this T, but it will have a slant. You get? It will have like a slanted line across it. And in a written pattern, it will be like this, DC, double crochet. Now this video is not going to be so long because it's very easy to know. We just need to know the beginning of the letter, that's all. Now for a treble crochet, it will have two slanted lines like this that's the symbol for treble crochet. Now in a written pattern, obviously it's going to be TC, right? This is a list of abbreviations I got it on Pinterest. So let us make something with this abbreviation so I can explain further. So when you see this diagram or this abbreviation, it means a slip knot or a slip stitch. A slip knot is usually how we start our work, and a slip stitch is how you join your rows. So this is it. Now moving on to chaining. Chain is usually represented with this oval. So you chain however many you need. For this, for the purpose of this video, I'll be chaining just 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6 as a turning chain. And then if you see this diagram or this abbreviation, then it means a single crochet. So we'll be doing it in the second chain from the hook, a single crochet. That is the X or the plus. It means a single crochet. For a half double crochet, this is the abbreviation and this is the symbol. So we'll make a half double crochet to make a double crochet, you make a double crochet whenever you see this T with a slant, or you see this abbreviation. So it represents a double crochet, just like that. And for a treble crochet, like I said before, it's usually this symbol, a T with 2 slants, and this abbreviation. Then you make a treble crochet wherever you see it in your pattern, just like that. And I've made videos on how to make these stitches, so if you don't know how to make this treble crochet, please go ahead and watch the video. I will link it in the description box. Whenever you see this symbol and this abbreviation, just know it is single crochet 2 together, and it is usually for a decrease. We use it when you want to decrease our work. So now I've made 5 single crochets underneath. So when we want to do our single crochet 2 together, you insert your hook, yarn over, you don't complete it, don't complete the single crochet, then you look for the next stitch, you insert your hook, yarn over once again, and then you complete them all together. Now for this symbol and this diagram, it means single crochet 3 together. So unlike this where we did 2 together, we'll do 3 together. It's also a decrease stitch. My last stitch, so just like that, you would start your single crochet without completing it, and then you yarn over, pull through all, just like this, just like that. And that is how you can see that my work has kind of curved into itself. So that is what a decrease looks like. So similar to what we did before, this abbreviation and this symbol means double crochet 2 together. So it's very similar to the double crochet and single crochet 2 together. So we'll start our double crochet, insert our hook, yarn over, pull through, and we will not complete that double crochet. Don't yarn over the last 2 loops. So yarn over again, start your double crochet once again, yarn over, pull through 2, and then you have 3 loops on your hook, then you pull through all. That is how you make double crochet 2 together. So for this one now, double crochet 3 together, it is the same thing. So you start your double crochet, don't finish it, then for the last stitch you insert your hook, yarn over, start your double crochet, and now that you have 4 loops on your hook, you yarn over, pull through all. So this is also a decrease stitch. You can see when you see this symbol, it means front post double crochet. So this is how you make a front post. You yarn over like you want to make your normal double crochet, then you put it in this space here between this stitch, then you go to the back of this hook and come out the other end, yarn over, pull through behind that stitch, then make your double crochet the normal way. Yarn over 2, then yarn over 2 once again. Let me do that again. In this very space here, you insert your hook, then you go at the back of that stitch, come out the other end, yarn over, pull through, then make your double crochet. That is a front post double crochet. Now to make a back post, it's the opposite. You go behind that stitch, you come out at the back, then you put your hook at the other. Let me show you once again. You go behind and come in through that space, then the next stitch you go around it and come out at the back, then yarn over and pull up a loop, then you make your double crochet. That is a back post double crochet. All you have to know is the fundamental stitches to make stitches like this, like the V stitch, the 3 double crochet cluster, the popcorn stitch, like all these ones. You just have to know the basic ones to be able to do these ones. I hope it's easier for you guys now to read it. So now the next time I want to make a tutorial, I'll be using the abbreviations instead of spelling the whole thing out for you guys, because I know I've already spoken about it. So yeah, I hope you guys gained one or two from this video, and if you have any questions, please put them down in the comments and I'll get back to you. So thank you very much for watching this video, even though it's very short and very unplanned really. Please give it a thumbs up and comment to push this video out more, because we are almost at 200 subscribers, almost, and it's a really big deal. So please, if you're not yet subscribed, subscribe please, and thank you. See you guys in the next video. Bye.